Get it down, get down, get it down,
Ngiyalamukela lonke ku speakindebele.com. Ibizo lami ngubongani. Ilanga lanamhla ngumvulo mhla ka-25 kaNtulikazi.
Thank you so much, Bongani. That's a very big welcome to all of you right here at speakindebele.com. My name is Nomsa and today's date is Monday, the 25th of July.
Ngiyabonga Nomsa, asingene nini endabeni zethu zanamhla. Woza nini lapha ku-website yethu ku speakindebele.com ngoba liviki kule zaga ezintsha nsuku zonke. Woza uzofunda ube lolwazi.
That's right, Bongani. You'll find that if you come and visit us at our website this week at speakindebele.com, we are posting brand new proverbs every single day. So come on over, log on, and get Ndebele wise.
Nanzi-ke indaba ezimnandi. Silezifundo ezintsha ku-website yethu yokufunda ku-speakindebele.com. Silesifundo esitsha esesikhathi. Njalo silesifundo esitsha esamalanga eviki. Woza uzofunda lathi.
Indeed, Bongani, that is brilliant news. We have brand new lessons on our lesson website at speakindebele.com. We have a lesson on time and we have a brand new lesson just uploaded on the days of the week. So come on over and get learning with us.
Oh, bangani, yebo, lingakhuthelwa. Woza nini lizobhalisa khathesi ku-website yethu lapha ndebele101.speakindebele.com. Lingakhuthelwa, wozani lizofunda lathi.
Bongani, you are really excited. Well, that is definitely something to talk about. So come on over to ndebele101.speakindebele.com and register for free. That's right, for free. Start your account and get learning with us today.
Ngiyabonga Nomsa. Right, singakahambi lingakhohlwa ukuthi sikhona ku YouTube. Wozanini lizo subscribe ku channel yethu. Njalo sikhona ku Facebook. Woza uzokuba ngumngani wethu lapha.
Absolutely, Bongani. We just wanted to remind you before we go that we're available on YouTube and on Facebook. So come on over and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we definitely want to be your friend on Facebook.
Yebo ke bangani, yizo ke indaba zethu ze SNNN iSpeak Ndebele News Network. So kumele sivalelise okwamanje. Yimi ubongani, sizalibona phambili. Salani kuhle. Bye bye.
Thanks, Bongani. That's all the news we have for you today at SNNN, Speak Ndebele News Network. Look out for another news broadcast coming from us very soon. Okay, that's it from me, Nomsa. We'll see you very soon. Bye-bye for now.